Most important question of AP. Let us see the question. Interior angle of polygon of n side are in AP. The smallest angle is 120 degree and the common difference is what? 5 degree. Then how many possible values can n have? For this type of question, simple technique is what? We know sum of n terms of AP is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we know sum of n terms is what? N by 2 into 2a, where a is first term, n minus 1 into d is common difference. And sum of all interior angles of any polygon is what? That is 2n minus 4 into 90. With the help of this, we can find easily n. So this is what? N into 2a, that is 2 cancel. So this is what? NA. So A is given how much? So smallest angle is 120. So this is given 120. So 2 into 120, this is what? 240. And N minus 1, D is given 5. So this is what? 5N and minus 5. And again here 2N minus 4. So this is what? 92 is 81, 88. And minus 360. Okay, so now we can find n into, this is what? 5n. So this is n into 5n, and 240 minus 5 is what? 235. And this is what? 2 is here, so this is 360n and minus 720. So when we find this, 5 is common, so we can find n square and plus 5 4 are 20 and 5 7, that is 47. And here is what? So 5 7 are 30, 5 5 2 are 10, 72. And this is 5 1 are 5, this is 2 22, 5 4 are 20, 5 4 are 20. So this is n square minus 72 minus 40 is 12, minus 7 is 5, and this is 6 minus, so this is 25n. And this is what? 144 equal to 0. 16 9 are 144, so we will get n 16 and 9. So, but n cannot be 16, because at n equal to 16, the interior angle will be greater than 180. So, not possible. So, n equal to what? 9. So, correct answer is only 1.